Assalamualaikum. Good morning, class. How are you all? Hopefully, you all are fine. Okay, beta. Open your countdown. Open the page number 110. Okay, beta. We have done the topic of multiplication. Beta, question number 5 is firstly write down CW and short date. We will do an activity which is very interesting. Okay, beta. Write down which lollipop, not fish, which lollipop goes into which jar. Draw lines to show one has done for you. Okay, beta. We have different types of lollipops. We will find which jar will goes. Okay, beta. Number 1 is 2 5s are, 2 5s are 10. Read the table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Okay. It will go in this jar. Okay, class. Now look at here. 2 6 are 12. We will match with this jar. 4 1s are 4. We will match here. 9 2 the 2 9 the 18. Okay. 4 3s are 12. Okay, class. 6 3s are 18. 10 1s are 10. 2 2s are 4. In this way, you will do this activity. Okay, class. Okay, beta. Now open your countdown copies, notebooks, and open this page and open the worksheet. Firstly, write down your name. What is your name? Maybe Abdul Rahman, maybe Dua. What is your name? You can write. Okay. Then mention the short date. Short date is 16/12/2020. Okay, beta. Our first question is write the number name. Number name means spelling of the number. The first number is 46. FORTY 40 SIX 6. You will write 46. Next is 72. You will write 70. SEVENTY 70 TWO 2. 72. The third question is 100. Spelling, this is 100. You will write ONU1 HUNDRAD 100. Okay. Next is 53. FIF 50 53 THREE 3. Okay. Question number 2 is write sum of 3 numbers. Here are 3 numbers. You can add 10 and 13 23. Then you will add 6. The answer will be 29. You can count on fingers. You can draw lines. Okay. Okay. Now add 12 and 13 25, 25 and 15 40. Okay. You will do in this way. After doing the work, you will do the colors and make it beautiful. Question number 3. Write this multiplication. It is very simple. You just read the tables. 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. You will write 32 here. 5 4s are 40. 5 4s are 40. Okay, question number 3 is 5 9s are 45 and 4 is 4 6 are 24. Okay, beta. Question number 4 is number in words. Our exercise is number in words. You will write 15. FIF TEEN 15. The next question is 300 357. You will write 3, THREE 3, 100, HUNDRAD 100, AND and 50, FIF 50, TYT 57, SEVEN 7, 357. Okay. Next is 129. You will write 100, HUNDRAD 100, AND 29, TWENTY 20, NINE 9, 346, THREE 300, HUNDRAD 100, AND FORTY 40, SIX 6, 46, 346. Next is 234. TWO2 HUNDRAD 100, 200, and 34, and THIRTY 34, FOUR 4. Now beta do this worksheet. Okay beta, look at here. Open page number 109. Question number 2 and question number 3, A, B, C, D, you will do on your notebook. This is your HW. Okay class, question number 2 and 3, this is your HW. You will do on your notebooks and send me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.